I began an AI project many years ago, 2 years ago actually, even just a year ago, that I was planning to build and create like an AI model all on my own from scratch. But the problem was that it didn't work. I had what's called out of memory errors. The computer that I was using to train the AI model, if you know what that means, uh, didn't work, right? And that was the problem that I wanted to fix by building an AI machine learning course. And it would be this course which I would use to like sell to people, and then the money that I gather I would use to buy myself a better server computer, access to a better server computer, some cloud computer that I would be able to run my AI model on, train it, and live my life very happy after that. And so I actually had a proper goal set, the journey of 6 sales. So the plan was I was going to make this AI course where I would teach people how to build an AI system, even though technically I can't even speak on that because I haven't built one yet either because I have out of memory errors. And then I would price it for $50 a month or just $50. And then with the money gathered, I would be able to buy a better server, access to a better server computer and live life. But the problem is not only that I don't have like a properly developed AI model yet, but also that my understanding of the concepts of how to build one were wrong. And so when I made this course, it was so beautiful. It was so immaculate. Like 70% of the content in there is just pure top notch, like quality, just amazing. If you want to use it as a way to learn machine learning, it would be great. And the rest of the 30% at the end, where I actually try to implement it, train it, whatever, that is just, completely wrong. Not even, you don't, I didn't even train it correctly on footage, let alone get the actual desired result, which is a complete AI model. And so I want to show you right now how they look. So I want you to pay attention to this beauty. Look at this beautiful. It was called the Innovator's Guide. It was such a beautiful thing that I used to work on for months and months, and it was very beautiful looking. So let's just look through it. There's the course format. Section 1, the data set, tokenization, the neural network. I would explain each and every concept in thorough detail with such beautiful graphics. And then I would explain how to implement it in code right after. So I would explain the data set and then how to get one, whether it's just through the internet or scraping your own and things like that. So look at these beautiful graphics. Why and how, like why do you need data sets? How do they work? Like all this stuff, all these beautiful graphics. Just look at this immaculate, amazing stuff, right? And there's a lot of like removed ones because their code was not right. Um, but yeah, so here, then you have this data set thing. This is the tokenization section. I want to show you the neural network section. That was particularly beautiful. Just look at this graphic. I made that all on my own. I have like a little drawing tablet that I use sometimes in my videos. And I used it to create this absolute beauty of a thing in Photoshop. And man, it was just so beautiful. And I took a dog image and I also did this to show like what a dog detection model would kind of look like. Weights and biases, all these explanations, so beautiful. And they're pretty correct, except for when you get over here somewhere. Um, something when you try to like train it. And you know what the thing is? That it could actually become successful. It just like takes more time. I promoted it when I promoted it on the internet on my channel, on this exact same channel. I actually promoted it for like 2 3 videos, just kind of put that in the middle. People would go and view and like just look at the course. Oh wow, it looks nice, but not buy it. And I would get desperate thinking, oh my god, no, people are not buying. But like, it takes time. But anyway, just look at this beauty. And then here's the problem. This is the main issue with the training, is that when I was training it, the method of training it was actually completely incorrect. So what I did, I believe, was, I mean, I can't even remember how I did it, but I think, yeah, I can't even remember how I did it, but there was something wrong in the training and how I generated a token and then reinserted it into the model to train it again. If you know those like slight details about how GPTs are built and things like that. But yeah, I made a mistake there, but yeah, that's it. So this 300 slide beautiful presentation And the mistake was that I had made poor research. I just wanted to share this with you because it was so amazing to see. And it just kind of lessened to myself that I should just conduct better research in the future. But generally, I mean, it made me remember this beautiful course. Of course, learning AI and machine learning when you are like self-taught, like learning off of YouTube or off of, I don't know, Google, just trying to look up these research papers and try to interpret them on your own, is going to be way more difficult than actually learning it in some kind of established institution, right? What your knowledge, the knowledge gaps that you have as a self-taught developer are going to be massive because you just know everything off of YouTube. You don't know the established practices, so to speak, just yet. But of course, you can get to know them though.